In 2025, the choice between Windows and Linux is more relevant than ever. Your operating system shapes your workflow, security, and even your budget. Windows dominates with its user-friendly experience and unmatched compatibility, making it the default for most. Linux, built by a global community, offers freedom, transparency, and control, attracting those who want to customize and optimize. The debate is about more than software, it's about philosophy, convenience versus control. As technology evolves, this foundational choice impacts everyone from students to professionals. So, which OS will define your digital world? When running on new high-end hardware, both Windows and Linux are capable of delivering excellent performance. They can both handle demanding tasks and provide a smooth user experience. However, Linux truly shines when it's installed on older machines. It's where the difference becomes really noticeable. Lightweight Linux distributions are specifically designed to revive aging computers, breathing new life into hardware that might otherwise be considered obsolete. This makes them fast and efficient, even on limited resources, providing a surprisingly responsive experience. Windows, on the other hand, often slows older machines down considerably, struggling to cope with the demands of its resource-intensive processes. For developers and power users who require a system that can keep up with their workflow, Linux's inherent efficiency translates to better performance in demanding tasks, such as compiling code, running virtual machines, and handling large data sets. Security is another key difference that sets these two operating systems apart. Linux's strict user permissions model, combined with its open-source nature, makes it significantly harder for malware and viruses to gain a foothold and compromise the system. While Windows has made considerable improvements to its security features over the years, its widespread popularity inevitably makes it a much bigger and more attractive target for cyber attacks. With its rapid security patching and a generally smaller attack surface, Linux maintains a clear advantage in terms of overall security posture. So, if speed, efficiency, and robust security are paramount, Linux is a tough operating system to beat. Linux is all about customization. It's a playground where you can shape the operating system to perfectly match your workflow and aesthetic preferences. You get to choose your distribution, selecting from a vast array of options, each with its own unique philosophy and set of pre-installed tools. Then, you pick your desktop environment. And from there, you can tweak nearly everything, from the window manager to the system's core utilities. For those who want a personalized workspace, a digital environment that truly reflects their individuality, Linux is unmatched. It offers a level of control and customization that's simply not available in other operating systems. Windows, meanwhile, offers a consistent, familiar interface. It's designed to be user-friendly and approachable, especially for those who are new to computers. It's an operating system that just works out of the box, requiring minimal setup and configuration. Its biggest strength? Software compatibility. Nearly every major application and game is built for Windows first, ensuring that you'll have access to the latest and greatest software. While Linux alternatives exist for many popular programs, they may not always offer the same level of functionality or performance. And while tools like Wine and Proton help bridge the gap, allowing you to run some Windows applications and games on Linux, compatibility can still be hit or miss. You might encounter glitches, performance issues, or even complete incompatibility. For creative professionals and gamers, Windows remains the go-to, providing the most reliable and comprehensive software support. But if you value flexibility and don't mind a learning curve, Linux opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to tailor your system to your exact specifications. The right fit ultimately depends on your individual needs and priorities. Consider what you value most in an operating system and choose accordingly. When it comes to operating systems, one of the most significant differences lies in the cost. For those on a budget. With Linux, you can also say goodbye to hidden costs. What you see is what you get. Furthermore, most Linux software is open source, meaning the code is publicly available and can be modified. This open source nature makes it budget-friendly for everyone, from students to businesses. On the other hand, Windows requires a paid license, which can be a significant upfront investment. Beyond the OS itself, many essential programs for Windows come with extra costs, adding to the overall expense. Hardware compatibility is another crucial factor to consider when choosing an operating system. Windows boasts excellent compatibility, working seamlessly with almost everything out of the box. While Linux support has improved significantly over the years, it's not quite as universal. Compatibility can still be hit or miss, especially with newer or more niche devices that may require manual driver installation. For most users, especially those new to computers, Windows offers the easiest path due to its user-friendly interface. It also provides broad software support, ensuring you can find applications for almost any task. Windows offers seamless hardware integration, making it easy to connect and use various peripherals. The installation process is generally straightforward, requiring minimal setup and technical knowledge. However, for developers, Linux presents a compelling alternative. The same goes for tinkerers who enjoy customizing their systems. And for those reviving old hardware, Linux can breathe new life into aging machines. In these scenarios, Linux is the clear winner, offering unparalleled flexibility and control. It's secure, efficient, and endlessly customizable, allowing you to tailor the OS to your exact needs. Ultimately, your choice shapes your digital experience, influencing how you interact with your computer every day. Do you prioritize convenience and compatibility above all else? Or do you value freedom and control, even if it means a steeper learning curve? The OS you choose is the foundation of your digital life, so make sure it aligns with your goals. Pick the path that fits your journey and enjoy the possibilities that await.